I never let you down, I'ma shine on sight. Keep your mind on your grind and off of mine's alright, right? Hard, I'ma ball on them squares. I floated $250,000 cars everywhere I go. I know in the lead it may seem me might be, but no matter what they doing, they don't do it like me. Like a G, I hold it down for the town I'm at. In a flash like that, recognize I'm back.
Stay out of folk business. Alright? I'm sick of seeing this anti-stuff stud shit. I'm sick of seeing that shit, man. I'm so tired of that shit. Stay out of people's business. If you don't like it, close your goddamn eyes, look the other way, and keep moving. Stay out of people's business, man. All this posting and all this talk about goddamn stuff. How the fuck did she like another chick that look like a dude? It ain't your business, man. Unless she walk up to you and grab your goddamn ass or grab your crotch, it does not matter. Unless she come and kiss you on the cheek, it don't matter. It's not your business. Leave it alone. It'll be better for you and everybody else, because we tired of hearing it. Alright? And leave the people that are defending the stud for studs alone as well. I personally am not stud for stud at all. I love my films, man. I'm not stud for stud. But it doesn't bother me like it bothers y'all. It does not bother me to see two studs walking down the street holding hands. I'm not about to run off and start gagging and coughing and choking and crying and shit like all these people I'm seeing do this on a daily basis. It doesn't bother me like that, because I'm grown enough to understand that people like what they like. People are going to do what they are going to do, and it's not my business. Not my business. But we really can't even fault the people that are hollering about no studs, because they're not developed enough up here to know better yet. To know that, you know, people are going to like what they like. They're not developed. They're not capable of holding an intelligent, mature conversation about the subject. They're not. So you can't even follow. It's the same people when you go to their page and you look at their relationship status, and over there on the corner it says married and you 17 years old, engaged, married, divorced, widowed. I mean, come on, man. These are the same people that's talking about that shit. Not saying that older people are exempt from it, but it's mainly these younger kids that don't know any better. Take your goddamn asses back to school before you get fucked up around here, because somebody, and it ain't even got anything to do with me. I'm not threatening anybody. But somebody's going to kick your goddamn ass for popping off at the mouth. I mean, that's real talk. And it more than likely won't even be anybody that you're going to encounter on the internet, because this is the internet. But people are always talking about, yeah, they're going to get fucked up. I'm going to fuck somebody up. How you supposed to do that? It's the internet. You're not about to kick nobody's ass. But one of these same people, same backwards thinking people, are going to go out in public, maybe the grocery store, start bumping off at the gums about something they don't like, and get drop kicked in the U-scan line. Might even be by stud for stud. That's just my opinion on the subject. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking to everybody, you know, because there's a lot of people that really feel the same way I do. There's people that don't. But to that I just say, if it don't apply, let it fly. You know what I'm saying? It's just my take on the whole subject or whatever. And I know it's not going to be the end of it, because people are going to continue to talk about this and find new things to talk about, you know, as long as there are people with different opinions. So, you know, if you don't like it, don't listen, but be quiet when I'm talking.